Setting age restrictions for third-party apps on your iPhone 16 helps create a safer digital environment by controlling which apps can be downloaded based on age-appropriate content. Here's how to allow or deny third-party apps by age group on the new iOS smartphone. First, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. To continue, scroll down to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In the succeeding menu, you will see a list of different content. Find and tap on the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now, find apps from the Allowed Media Services content and then tap on it to proceed. Here you can choose from the given age groups, including 4+, 9+, 12+, and 17+. If you don't want to set a specific age restriction for your third-party apps, then select Don't Allow instead. This setting will prevent the download of apps that aren't appropriate for the selected age group. You can change this setting at any time when needed by repeating the same steps to return to the Screen Time menu. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful smartphone tutorials.